Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is crack-a-lacking today? Good morning and welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. The podcast all about trying to motivate and inspire you towards living your life on a higher level. This is your 1 minute motivator for today, and here is your quote. Being happy is a very personal thing, and it really has nothing to do with anyone else. What is it that really makes you happy? Deep down, whatever it is that you enjoy doing, whatever makes you happy or keeps you sane during these crazy days, keep doing it. You are the one person you're going to spend the most time with, so you really do need to like yourself and, of course, be happy. Once you've worked out what makes you tick, the opinions of others, well, they don't really matter, do they?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.